So right here on my screen, you can see that I'm currently having 784.2427 USDT worth of Bitcoin on my wallet. As you can see, this is the what I have on my wallet right now. So if I'm a subscriber, you are gonna be familiar with this project, because there was a time I made a video. It's around 2 months ago, some months ago, I made a video about this particular airdrop. So this is an airdrop being done by an exchange app just like Binance. So if you are joking with an airdrop, don't you ever joke with an exchange airdrop, because their airdrop is always legit. They cannot just create all these things and just all of a sudden get lost. So if you are my subscriber, you must have been familiar with this airdrop. So what are they doing? They are for people to make use of their product. Don't worry, go to YouTube and browse more about superex. So what are you gonna do here? It's very simple. Follow the link in the description, follow the rules and regulation to sign up, and once you sign up, they're gonna give you 10 of their coin. They are airdropping their coin, they are not airdropping Bitcoin, because if you go over to the spot, you can see that that amount that I have is just their particular coin, which is ET. So as you can see, my balance is still locked. 784 USDT worth of ET is still locked, and I'm gonna show you guys how to unlock it and the things to do to unlock it. But remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing updates. Do your own research. Go to YouTube, go to everywhere, do your own research and know more about it. So as you can see, if you click on this place that says airdrop base, it's going to take you over to the airdrop base, and but that is when you are done signing up and receiving your 10 ET, because 1 ET is equal to 1 USDT. So what are you gonna do? As you can see, I've completed all these tasks and all these tasks, but I have not completed this one. So what are you gonna do? First of all, once you are done signing up and check your account, you have seen 10 ET, go to airdrop base, and once you go to airdrop base, try as much as you can to complete other tasks like this one that says follow them the Twitter. They are going to ask you to add your Twitter account. Just add your Twitter account. As you can see, I've done it. Join their Telegram channel. If you click on the link they show you, you're going to join their Telegram channel. It's very simple. Then next thing you have to do is to click on this where that says deposit. So if you go to deposits, I have not deposited anything, so it's gonna ask if you want to deposit minimum of $10 or $10 worth of anything. It's gonna open this deposit and immediately enter future. They're gonna give you. So this is the airdrop base. I've not done this one. Invite. This is the ones that I've been doing. I've done sometimes. So once you invite people, they're gonna give you 10 ET. So this is, if you click on this invite, you see that I've referred 777 people. I'm not resting. I normally share the updates on my Telegram channel, on my WhatsApp group, and every other place is Facebook. So don't tell me that you cannot refer. Go to Facebook groups about cryptocurrencies, advertise it, and advertise your link. Tell them you can use my own screenshots. Don't worry, I'm gonna leave a screenshot in my Telegram channel. So join my Telegram channel to take out my screenshots and my write-up. Just fill it up with your own referral link, and go to Facebook, go to Twitter, any place that you know that you can see people with the same interest of cryptocurrency in you. Go to that place and advertise it before everybody advertise it to them. So how are we gonna unlock this thing? Simple thing. You have to lead it up. So for you to unlock it, you're gonna deposit cryptocurrency worth of any $10, but the coin is not yet listed, so you are gonna wait for it to be listed. So if you unlock it, you're gonna wait for it to be listed before you can use it or you can trade it. So as for now, go and copy out your referral link. So for you to know your referral link, click on this where that says invite. If you click on it, it's gonna take you over to this place. This is your invitation poster. This is your referral ID, and this is your referral link. So copy out your referral link just like I copied it out, and that is how it goes. So I this is the end of this video. I don't want this video to be long. I just want to show you guys or remind you guys, the ones that have watched the video but they are not referring, try as much as you can to refer so that you get enough coin when it's listed. Remember, the price is just 1 USDT now, and with time coming it's gonna pass, it's gonna be above USDT. Remember the story of BNB, remember the story of Binance and every other crypto exchange that have their own coin. So without saying more, this is the end of this video. If you go over for this video, do not to give this video a like and comment in the section and wait for my new updates. So that is it for today. See you in my next video. Bye.